Let's create an environment that feels restorative, restful, and peaceful. By swapping mindless, draining activities for intentional, renewing practices, it's possible to reclaim our time, energy, and well-being. It's evening time. Dinner is just about done. Tonight I made meatballs, which I put together during my lunch break. I work full-time from home, so I have some time to either do some cleaning or think about dinner. Then during dinner time, I just had to make some pasta and a vegetable, and dinner was on the table in no time. Now dinner is complete, and I'm going to do a few cleaning tasks to get my house in order so that I can have a relaxing, peaceful evening and wake up to a nice, clean house to start a new day. I'm beginning here with taking out the filter in our dishwasher. This is something that is definitely overdue. It's been a while since I've cleaned it. Here is how dirty it is, and it just needs a nice, simple cleaning. I'll just clean it with some soap and water in the sink. If you were completely unaware that this needs to be cleaned, don't worry, so was I. I had to be told this is even in there and it should be cleaned, and now I try to do it on a regular basis to make sure that our dishes are getting cleaned to the best that they can. I'm just using the Dawn Power Wash and scrubbing the entire filter down, and then can put it back, and I'm going to use white vinegar and run a cycle just with the vinegar in the dishwasher to get it nice and clean and ready for the next load of dishes. Implementing an evening cleaning routine can really help decrease the stress of all the cleaning tasks that need to be done throughout the day. I like to break them up into segmented tasks throughout the evening so that I don't feel so overwhelmed by doing a ton of things right before going to bed. So I'll pick a deep cleaning item such as cleaning the dishwasher that's easy, I don't have to think too hard about, but just needs to be done, and then break up all the other cleaning tasks that need to be done so I can still enjoy time with my son. Just like here, I'll allow you to listen in on our evening while I clean the dishes.
Oh, are you tired? No.
Would you want more?
What?
I don't want more.
You don't wanna? You fell? Are you okay? Oh my goodness. You want me to ask? Hang on, one second. I just want to finish the dishes really quick. Bye! I love you.
I segment some of my cleaning tasks throughout the evening so it's not as overwhelming, and then allows me time to spend with my son and husband, and also so I don't feel completely drained right before going to bed. So right after we've completed dinner, I wash the dishes, clean out the sink, put dishes away, wipe down the tabletop to make sure everything is nice and ready for the next day. If my time becomes a little bit too much, because sometimes you can get a little lost in cleaning, especially if you're like me and it's something you actually enjoy doing, I make sure to be conscious of the time so that I am setting aside a good amount of time to spend with my son. Since him and I are not together throughout the entire day, this is the little bit of time I do get to spend with him, and it's always so sweet. I'm going to wipe down my son's table. Oftentimes he likes to sit here and color, and he just ate spaghetti and meatballs right here, so I want to make sure this is nice and clean for him if this is the item he chooses to do right before bed. I always let him pick whatever he wants to do and then sit and enjoy the time with him, either playing with toys or coloring, or if he wants to watch Miss Rachel or anything, we do that as well. We are in the 12 days before Christmas. My grandmother sends us 12 books, so I'm going to show you here a little glimpse of that, of him opening his books for this evening.
Which one are you going to open? You going to open this one?
Okay.
Okay, turn this way. You hold this?
It's up.
Right here. It's right here. Right here.
There you go. Baby.
Your hair is so crazy. Clifford!
Wow.
Clifford sees America. Yeah,
Mama.
that's the big red dog.
Aw.
Oh, he's so cute.
Aw. No.
My son is now tucked in bed for the night. I'm downstairs in our living room cleaning up these magnet tiles. We built a castle. Most times I'll have him clean it up before he goes to bed, but I wanted to have some content for you, so I let him go to bed without cleaning. He's really good about putting away his toys, especially if we sing that cleanup song. If you remember from Barney, he cleans up everything. It wasn't that big of a mess anyways, so it took me no time at all to clean up the toys, and then I've got to do the vacuuming. I do vacuum every single night because we have a black lab and she sheds like crazy. We always tell parents to enjoy every moment, yet so many of these moments are hard and exhausting and stressful. So maybe it's not so much about enjoying every single moment. We can't, and we won't. But maybe it's about our kids knowing that through it all, we simply enjoyed them. During this Christmas season, do your best to enjoy all the magic and newness of the holidays, especially if you have toddlers. It always feels like the very first time they're learning about Christmas. Even in your night routines of cleaning and trying to just end the day, reflect on all the special moments that you had with your children. They'll never be this age again. You'll never get this day back. So I hope you made the most of it. childhood serves a purpose. It isn't something to get through or speed up. It's there to protect developing minds, to nurture young souls. So let's give our kids the space to be unbusy. Let's unschedule. Let's miss out. Let's hold the space for childhood. Because childhood isn't a dress rehearsal for adulthood. If you clicked on this video looking for some easy tips, routine to help you through closing your day after a long day with your kids, I hope you take some encouragement in slowing down and enjoying your kids' childhood. This is your motherhood. Notice it, take time to appreciate it, and create spaces to allow your children to have the most wonderful childhood, especially during the Christmas season. In the chaos and the rushing, the never-ending to-do lists, make your home a place your children will remember. Make their Christmas memories so magical that they have fondness in looking back on their childhood, which will make them even better adults. I hope after watching this video, you are able to implement an evening cleaning, after dark cleaning routine. Not to get more things done off your to-do list, but to give you more time, to give you a fresh start, so then you can look forward to waking up tomorrow and be able to be ever more present for your children. For you to enjoy your motherhood, feel less stressed, and eager for the opportunities that await in your motherhood journey. My evening routine has become a little bit more enjoyable with the addition of the Christmas lights. They are so peaceful and soothing and bring me so much joy. I added some garland above the hedge here and found these colored lights that I just had sitting around in an old Christmas box. And it has been such a joyful addition. I plug them in as soon as it gets dark. My son and I count down for the excitement of the lights coming on. You know, just like the tree lighting. 3, 2, 1, and the lights come on and it's magical. We have literally done that every single night since I put all the Christmas lights up. And it has been so exciting. I'm sure it's going to be something as a tradition for my son and I every single day during the holiday seasons. I can't wait for years to come. And maybe one day when he has children of his own, he'll do the same thing. But to clean with extra decorations, especially the lights, has been so much fun. So if you're needing a little bit more encouragement or joy, add some fun decorations. Bring life into your home to give yourself new life and energy to be able to be the homemaker you've always wanted to be. Vacuuming the kitchen will end my video today. I hope you enjoyed this, got some cleaning motivation, some life inspiration, and a spark of new, renewed energy. If nothing else, I hope you leave here feeling like you've made a new friend. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday and would love to see you back here again.